Hello, my little friend. Today we are drawing Bluey and her cheeky cousin Socks with a big shiny box beside them. The picture is soft and bright, ready for a cozy bedtime night. Bluey claps her paws and says, "Look, Socks, a box today." It's wrapped in paper, pink and neat, with sparkly stars from head to feet. Can you clap your hands, nice and slow? Clap, 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 just like Bluey? The box goes rustle, rustle. The ribbon goes swish, swish. Socks' tail wiggles. Her eyes go wish, wish. She whispers, "Open, open, open." Can you whisper too? Open, open, open. The lid lifts gently, creak and sigh. Inside, oh my, what do they spy? A rainbow ball, soft and round. It bounces once, without a sound. Let's all stretch our arms up tall and roll them like a ball down small. Bluey rolls it, Socks hops near. Boing, 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 fills the air. Catch it quick. Bluey calls, "Who wants to play with bouncing balls? Would you catch the rainbow ball or let it roll?" Socks digs deeper, paws so fast, out comes a hat tall at last. It's floppy red with golden string. She plops it on, oh what a thing. Pretend to tip a silly hat, wobble side to side like that. Bluey laughs, "You look so sweet." Socks giggles, hee hee hee. The hat slides down and covers her nose. Can you make a silly giggle too, like Socks goes? Halfway through their happy play, they turn to smile and say, with joy and fun that makes hearts tingle, "Like this video and subscribe my channel." Back they go, the box still full. They tug and pull till out comes wool. Soft and fluffy, red and blue, a cozy scarf for me and you. Pretend to wrap it round your chin. Feel the scarf so warm within. Socks snuggles close, Bluey sighs. The night is soft with twinkling skies. One last treasure, hidden low, a tiny lantern, set to glow. Close your eyes, picture it bright. A golden light, so warm tonight. It flickers gently, soft and small, like fireflies that dance and call. What color would your lantern glow? Yellow, green, or soft rainbow? Bluey whispers, "This is best." Socks curls down, she needs a rest. The toys are safe, the light shines true, the night feels calm for me and you. The stars above all wink and gleam, the house is quiet, time to dream. Tiptoe now, soft and slow, tiptoe, tiptoe, where we go. Bluey waves with sleepy cheer, "Good night, my friend, we love you here." Socks yawns wide, her tail curls tight, "Sweet dreams," she says, "Good night, good night." And as the lantern glows so deep, it's time to drift, to rest, to sleep.